Bang, boleh servis motor?
Jangan.
Hei, kau siapa?
Kau siapa?
Ni kedai aku, kau siapa?
Apa?
Oh my god. Nice. Oh, leans. Okay guys. Okay, I have here with me is a MV Agusta F4 1000ccr. 1000ccr, right? Yeah, F4 1000ccr. I'm gonna go with it. You don't get to see these bikes anymore. Like, this is quite rare to see on the road in Singapore because not many people can afford it. Secondly, it's just a very small niche for people who like Ducatis but can't afford it. I just insulted so many people just now. So, what it's like riding this bike? Because I've ridden it before back in the days. It's like having an R6 where your handlebars are so close to you with a 1000cc engine. The special thing about this bike, it has Ferrari valve. Can you say that your bike has a Ferrari part? No, only when you ride an MV Agusta. MV Agusta. Oh my god. All-ins, Brembo, all-ins, Brembo, front and back, front and back. Only for the RR model. Because if you get the R model, it comes with Uma Racing and Tokiko. Why is the camera tilted? Much better. My neck, my back. Okay. Right, I'm always lost for words when it comes to this bike. But the owner is here and we shall talk to him. Wait, okay now. Riz!
What?
Hey, come here. Alright, so today we are here with Mr. Muscleman Riz to talk about his MV Agusta RR. So, bro, this is a really nice bike, man.
Hey, don't touch. Okay, continue.
How long have you had the bike?
Around 1 year plus.
1 year plus. So within that 1 year, how do you feel about riding the bike?
It feels good. The handling is excellent. And the speed, nice.
So obviously you will ride very fast to the speed limit, right?
Yes.
So anyways, yeah. So what made you buy the bike?
Because I wanted to get a Ducati, then it's out of stock. So I got this bike.
Fair enough. Okay, what don't you like about it?
There's no aftermarket exhaust. Yeah, don't touch.
Sorry. It's just very red. It's like ready for me, you know? Alright. Have you done anything to the bike?
I ride it every day.
Have you done any modifications to your bike?
No, so far no.
So you just pretty much made it lighter by removing your mirrors?
Yes, aerodynamics.
That works. Would you recommend your friends to buy this bike?
Not the same model, but the same brand.
Why?
Because currently F4 has been discontinued, so parts may be hard to get.
So basically you have a one-of-a-kind bike?
In Singapore, yeah.
Okay, fair enough. No, just very curious. Can I hear how it sounds like?
Yes, of course. Not you. Start.
Okay guys, that's all we have for today. See you for next time. Hey, but bro, seriously, why you buy this bike?
To get girls, bro.
Hey, girls. Bro, where you buy ah?